Welcome to Discover. Welcome to our Would You Rather Animal Edition. Today, you'll face some fun and challenging choices between which animals you'd prefer to raise. From the cuddly to the wild, it's time to see where your preferences lie. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated with all our latest videos. Let's dive in. Would you rather raise a dog or a cat? Here we go. Man's best friend or the ultimate purr machine? What's it gonna be? Would you rather raise a parrot or a rabbit? Talking feathers or adorable fluff? Who's stealing your heart? Would you rather raise a turtle or a fish? It's a battle of the calm, slow and steady or peaceful swimming. Would you rather raise a hamster or a guinea pig? Small and squeaky, what's your favorite? Would you rather raise a horse or a cow? A ride in the countryside or fresh milk every day? Chicken or a duck? Eggs or quacks? Which will it be? Goat or a sheep? Which one would you love to have in your backyard? Would you rather raise a pig or a turkey? What's your choice? Would you rather raise a ferret or a chinchilla? Playful ferret or fluffy chinchilla? Would you rather raise a lizard or a snake? Cold-blooded companions, who's your friend? Would you rather raise a pigeon or a quail? Fly high with pigeons or keep it small with quail? Would you rather raise a goldfish or a betta fish? Something colorful or something peaceful? Raise a tarantula or a scorpion? Creepy crawlies, what's your pick? Would you rather raise a hedgehog or a sugar glider? Spiky or gliding, what's more your style? Raise a frog or a toad? Leaps or hops, who's more fun? Would you rather raise a macaw or a cockatoo? Lively chatter or majestic crest? Would you rather raise a hermit crab or a snail? Crusty or slimy, which do you prefer? Would you rather raise a dove or a canary? Peaceful cooing or cheerful singing? Would you rather raise a peacock or a flamingo? Bright colors or elegant pink? What's your pick? Would you rather raise a rabbit or a guinea pig? Floppy ears or squeaky sounds? Who's cuter? Would you rather raise a wolf or a fox? Wild instincts, are you more wolf or fox? Panda or a koala? Bamboo muncher or eucalyptus lover? Would you rather raise a kangaroo or a wallaby? Big bounce or little hop? Would you rather raise a lion or a tiger? King of the jungle or striped predator? Would you rather raise a bear or a gorilla? Furry giant or mighty muscle? Who's the king of your crew? Would you rather raise a cheetah or a leopard? Speed demon or stealth master, who's your wild companion? Would you rather raise a hyena or a jackal? Scavenger's delight, who's on your wild side? Would you rather raise a zebra or a giraffe? Stripes or height? What's your safari star? Would you rather raise an alpaca or a llama? Soft and sweet or tall and proud? What's grazing in your field? Would you rather raise a camel or a buffalo? Desert dweller or plains powerhouse? Who's your pick? Would you rather raise a raccoon or a skunk? Mischievous mask or stinky surprise? Who's your backyard buddy? Would you rather raise an owl or a hawk? Wise and watchful or sharp and swift? What's soaring in your skies? Would you rather raise a penguin or a puffin? Waddle with joy or fly with flair? Who's your feathered friend? Would you rather raise an eagle or a falcon? Majestic glide or lightning fast dive? What's your flight path? Would you rather raise a kangaroo rat or a sugar glider? Tiny leap or nighttime glide? Who's more fun? Beaver or an otter? Dams or playtime splashes? Who's your aquatic engineer? Manatee or a dolphin? Gentle giant or playful spinner? Who's riding the waves with you? Would you rather raise a sea lion or a seal? Barks or claps? Who's your ocean entertainer? Would you rather raise an orca or a blue whale? Mighty hunter or peaceful giant? Who's ruling your seas? Would you rather raise a wolfhound or a husky? Big and bold or sled dog strong? Who's leading your pack? Would you rather raise a flamingo or a heron? Pretty and pink or sleek and graceful? Who's strutting their stuff? Would you rather raise a panda bear or a polar bear? Cuddly black and white or Arctic king? What's your call? Would you rather raise a crow or a raven? Cawing chaos or deep mystery? Who's perched in your trees? Would you rather raise a red panda or a meerkat? Tree climber or lookout master? Who's stealing the spotlight? Would you rather raise a lemur or a marmoset? Big eyes or tiny hands? Who's hanging out with you? Porcupine or an armadillo? Quills or armor? What's your wild defense? Puffin or a pelican? Colorful cutie or big-beaked beauty? Who's your pick? Would you rather raise an ostrich or an emu? Speedy sprinter or fierce flyer? Who's in your backyard? Would you rather raise a serval or a caracal? Spotted elegance or tufted power? What's your feline fave? Would you rather raise a dingo or a coyote? Outback legend or American trickster? Who's your wild partner? Would you rather raise a salamander or a newt? Wetland wonder or pond protector? Who's your amphibian ally? Bison or a yak? Plains powerhouse or mountain mover? Who's leading your herd? Mongoose or a weasel? Fearless fighter or sneaky charmer? Who's your secret weapon? Lemur or a capuchin monkey? Ringtail swinger or clever climber? Who's your tree-topping buddy? Vulture or a condor? Sky scavenger or mountain glider? Who's soaring high? Honey badger or a wolverine? Fearless and fierce, who's your wild warrior? Barn owl or a snowy owl? Rustic hoot or winter watcher, who's on your night patrol? Would you rather raise a black panther or a cougar? Shadowy predator or sleek hunter, who's on the prowl? Would you rather raise a lynx or a bobcat? Short tail or tufted ears? What's your feline fancy? Would you rather raise a red fox or a gray fox? Fiery fur or cool coat? Who's outsmarting the competition? Would you rather raise a wild boar or a warthog? Tusked and tough, who's your rugged companion? Would you rather raise a moose or a caribou? Mighty antlers or sleek runner? What's leading your charge? Would you rather raise a mountain goat or a bighorn sheep? Climber or headbutter? Would you rather raise a buffalo or a bison? Big and strong, what's your pick? Would you rather raise a jaguar or a puma? Spotted or sleek? Would you rather raise a peccary or a tapir? Wild pig or forest giant? Would you rather raise a stingray or an electric eel? Gentle glide or shocking surprise? Would you rather raise a porpoise or a beluga whale? Friendly or white giant? Would you rather raise a sloth or a koala? Slow hugger or eucalyptus lover? Would you rather raise a snow leopard or a Siberian tiger? Mountain goat or striped beast? Enjoying the challenge? Make sure to hit that subscribe button and follow us on YouTube for more fun and exciting content just like this.